Hello, everyone. My name is Joe Revenue Jones, owner and founder of Revenue Financial Services. Today, I'm taking the time out to show you all how to get started as a partner with us and how to start making some money by advertising your own credit repair business. So, anytime someone signs up through your website, you make 35% of what they pay. Minimum amount is $1,000. So, you're going to make $350 anytime someone signs up. Also, you can start a team. So you bring in your team up under you. Anytime your team sells something, you make 10% of what they sell. And then there's one more level where your team can bring people in and you make 5% off of what they sell, right? So we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to show you all the website and how to get started as a partner with Revenue Financial. So let me share my screen with you all, right? So this is the main website right here. This is what you'll see. So whoever referred you in the near future, you will see their name and info right here. You'll see their name and info. That way you'll know that you're on their site. So you'll know once you go to become an affiliate, you'll go up under them, right? So let's jump right in. This is the sign up page. Like I said, it's $21 a month to basically start your own business. Very minimum startup costs. And this is what makes this thing great, guys. Uh, so we want to do one. Okay. And just for example purposes, I got a coupon code in. So it says 0 right here, but it will be $21 a month, guys. All right. So you come here to the sign up page. Just add in all your personal information. Scroll down, add your city. State. All right. Come here and you want to sign up. All right. So once you get signed up, you're gonna see this page right here, right? Showing you that you're paid and everything. And then you just click right here on your account. Now you're in your back office here, right? This right here is one of the main steps. It says W-2, but this is supposed to say W-9, right? You guys know what a W-9 is. This is for once you start making money with us, so we get your taxes and everything correct, right? So you have to have this in place in order to start making some sales. Even if people up under you start making sales and you don't have this in place, you will not be able to get paid, right? And we all want to get paid. So you just fill this out. Once you finish filling this out, guys, it's super simple. You just hit submit right here. It comes right over to us, and you're good to go, right? Okay, over here, again, this is your dashboard. So you got orders, or you can see the orders that have been placed of people that have come up under you. Um, Downloads, addresses. This is just your address right there. Payment methods, right? So this is where you will see which card you have on file for the $21 a month. And you can add payment method or you can change your payment method as well, right? Uh, Account details. What do we have here? Okay, basic account details right here. If you want to change your password, this is where you'll do it at. Another thing is, let me show you the once you get signed up, you'll get an email as well. So we got this email that your account has been created. Welcome to Revenue Financial Services. Click here to set your new password. Make sure you do this, guys. This is how you set your password. And then there's one more email. Thanks for your order. All right, this is just your order page right here. Okay. Back to your back office here. This is the main thing right here, affiliate. So if you don't pay your $21 a month, this will go away, right? This is how you get a payout. This is how you see everything right here. This is how, so let's just go through it. Dashboard is what we're on right here. Referrals on this page, you'll be able to see who all you referred. Payments, you'll be able to see your withdrawal history. You'll be able to see total number of transactions and how much money you've made, right? Marketing, affiliate links. This is one of the this is probably the most important thing. This is your link right here, right? This is what you want to share with your family, friends, your whoever you think might want to come in and be a partner up under you. This is the page, the link that you want to give them, right? Right here you'll have your reports, traffic log, how many people have been coming to your website, right? Payout requests, probably one of the most important things to you all. Right here, once you get all the way signed up, you'll see where you can put in your payout request and the money comes directly to you guys. I think we're using PayPal right now. It'll go directly to PayPal, directly to your account, same day, same day. So this is pretty much it for the dashboard. Let me log in on another account so I can show you all. Yeah, let's log in on this one. So I can show you all what the referral looks like, what the referral tree will look like. All right. So reports, multi-level marketing. All right. So right here, you have, so this is me where I just signed up under Tamisha Dawson. So this line right here, so first off, I'm sorry, Tamisha, anything she sells, she'll make 35%, right? Anything this line sells, she will make 10% without doing anything, just by having these people up under her, right? And you see it right here. It tells you right here, Janice, level 1, 10%. Joe Jones, level 1, 10%. H Jones, level 1, 10%. So as the tree goes down, if somebody was up under Janice, it would say their name, their email, 5%. So she would make 5% off anything that they sell, right? So this is your multi-level marketing. If you have 100 people under you, 200 people, you'll see your tree just expand. And this is how you make residual income, guys. This is what we created this for. We're literally creating this to give away 50% of what we make. 50% of what we make. You get 10 people right here, and 10 people make one sale, you make 100%. Now you just made $1,000 as if you made your own sale, but you didn't do anything, guys. So the goal is to get as many people under you as possible, but to also get some of your own sales as well, right? So that's pretty much it. You can edit your pictures right here, as you see. But that's pretty much it. As far as getting started, guys, there's going to be a link in the description of this video. Click on the link in the description of this video and get started. Also, guys, make sure you subscribe because we'll be adding a bunch of how-to videos on here, sales videos and stuff like this. We want to see you guys be successful in this. We want to make this the best thing as possible. Best thing about it is you can work from anywhere, unlimited earning potential. It's all about your marketing, and we do have marketing training once a week as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'm looking forward to you guys joining. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our business line and just let us know. We're here to help you guys. So thank you, and let's go. Welcome to Revenue Financial.